Okay, so just in case you're curious where your cocoa nibs are coming from, here's cacao on the tree. And I'm going to harvest today, and then I'll take you over and show you how to extract the seeds and the pulp. Okay, so here we go. So I've got my short machete here, a plastic bin to collect the pulp, and my little mountain of cacao. Now, I've been out here 2 days, so there's mountains like this all over the field. What you do is you harvest as much as you can, put them all in little mountains, and then you're going to harvest the pulp and the seeds out from the little mountains and then move on. So in case you've never seen the fruit that makes the magic chocolate, okay, I'll show you how that goes. There's two ways to open pods. There's kind of like the simple way where you just want to cut through the center but not all the way through, because then sometimes you damage some of the seeds. Okay, so you just make like a little cut like that. And then you can break it, and then look at that. You get this like kind of like this fish fillet that comes out, right? Guys, this is delicious. And I really have to figure out a way that I can furnish you guys so we can all enjoy the fruit, okay? These are the seeds here. Of course, it doesn't look anything like chocolate because this is the raw product. And the white, sweet, tangy pulp that I'm now enjoying by sucking it off the seed is really key to fermenting the bean, okay? The bean doesn't get any chocolate flavor. It's just like wine, unless it's fermented. Excuse me. Okay. So, you want to keep the pulp here surrounding the seeds, and then super easy, you just take it all out. Lovely. Okay. That's it. This thing in here, you can actually dry this into a jerky, and it's really tasty. So, this is another product that maybe we'll experiment with in the future. The pods, really important. I always return them back to the trees, okay? So I toss them at the bases of the trees because there's a lot of energy that the trees have to put out to make these pods. It's so good, just fresh. You guys, if you've never tried this, it doesn't taste like chocolate. It actually tastes like vanilla. It's amazing. Okay? So, yeah, this is edible too. Delicious, but I'm not going to eat it because then I'm just going to keep, not being able to talk. So I return all the pods to the base of the tree so they can compost down there. And that's it. You just keep going, And, it'll take me a couple days out here. Okay, guys? So now, here's the thing. 100, for those of you interested in buying nibs and chocolate lovers, and are interested in fairness and economic justice and those awful pictures of small African children carrying cacao pods around fields. I mean, that's real. These things are heavy. Each one is like a good 2 pounds. And by the time I'm done harvesting, I've probably pulled about 400 of these off. That's 800 pounds. So small children should not be doing this. They should be in school, yeah? But here's another thing that should not be happening, is that hardworking people in developing countries should not be out here for days harvesting and then taking this very valuable raw product to a distributor and getting paid $38 per 100 pounds. If that doesn't mean anything to you, let me put it in perspective with some numbers, okay? Let me put it in perspective. So right now I'm selling pounds of cacao nibs. Many of you guys bought them for $12 a pound. The average price on Amazon is between $10 and $14, so I just dropped my price right in the middle. Okay, because I'm lucky. I have the means out here to process the good and the savvy to package it and the ability to put it on the internet. So most rural people out here in Ecuador, they have only the vaguest notion of how cacao becomes chocolate. They don't have any idea how to process it. They're just selling it as materia prima, as raw product for the cheapest price to, random distributors. And then, of course, the CEO of Nestle and the CEO of Mars are sitting there on their millions. So this is something that we here, Juan and I, really, really, really want to change. Yes, our project is about reforestation. Our project is about agroforestry. But it's also about economic justice and fairness. And what we are really, really, really want to do with this little bit of money that we're getting from this little startup business here of selling the nibs, okay, is the more we sell, the more local people we can hire to help us out, yeah? And the more people we can show that by processing a product just a little bit, and it doesn't have to be mechanized, you don't have to make chocolate bars, just by drying the beans, just by fermenting and drying the beans and selling them as a seed, as a toasted seed, or as a powder. I mean, think about it, guys. $38 for 100 pounds, or $12 for 1 pound. And we've sold to the distributor, and I've been out here for, 4 to 6 days, busting my butt for what works out to be about $2.10 an hour, which is a low wage, even by rural Ecuadorian standards, okay? So, continue to support us on Patreon. We're going to be sending you guys this product. I think that our nibs are really fantastic. We do the whole process by hand. They're full of iron, magnesium, copper, minerals, good fats, protein, fiber. I'm also working on making some low sugar, truly nutritious nutrition bars. Not like those high sugar cookies that they sell as nutrition bars. Yeah, and so our goal here with the cacao is really not just to sell a product, but to bring more economic fairness and more prosperity to our region, and more knowledge to our region, and to share this with people. So we're just getting started, but I think that everybody who knows something about our project as it's evolved can say that when Juan and I say we're gonna do something, we follow through. So the cacao nibs are for real. Processing this product is for real. It's delicious and it's nutritious, and you're also doing a really, really good thing by buying it from a small regenerative farm like Sueño de Vida, because of our mission to also create a cooperative in our area and share this knowledge and share internet savvy and share with people how to not just earn such a pittance literally from the fruits of their labor. So thank you for listening, and yeah, I hope that you enjoy your nibs when you get them. Let me know, and let me know if you would like to order some more.